US indices yet again traded sharply bearish yesterday with little swings, and post-market hours we have seen a little recovery, while the Germany and FTSE also followed the trend with the US indices. What to expect today from these five major indices? Then S&P 500, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, Germany40 and FTSE 100. We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released for US indices before the US session. Do not miss to watch that. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. If you look at the S&P here, lower lows are there, lower highs are there, trading in a bearish channel. It needs to break beyond 5650 in order to confirm a reversal, and that appears to be a far beyond level as of now. First hurdle should be at 5600, then 5620 and then 5640.50. These are going to be the three key levels which S&P need to break in order to confirm a reversal. What is happening here? After hitting the lows, it is under retracement, and in fact, even if you see it is staying above 5580, you can initiate a buying entry here. In fact, rather I'll say 5572 you can buy. Expect it to move towards 558084 and then 5600.602. If that is taken, you can stay bullish for 5620. Right now I can see this after bearishness, this is a retracement, and see the bullishness getting diminished. A reversal cannot be denied. Yes, the stochastic is overbought, while the MACD and RSI is showing a bit of rise here. On the 2 hour, the observation is similar. See, whenever it strikes the 20 period, it tries to reverse, and that is what is happening. Also notice the red candles are bigger in size, the greener candles are smaller in size, and it is keeping the downtrend intact here. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD, RSI both are showing a bit of rise. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation. The 20 period is sitting here at around 5580 levels, which should be a greater resistance zone. Indicators are still looking upwards. On the 4 hour, similar observation here. Only thing here is, see, after this drop and the swing, it is showing a slight reversal. Notice here the bullishness getting diminished. However, the prices are still trading with divergence from the 20 period, which is right now sitting at around close to 5600. So 5580, 5600 should be a greater resistance zone. Yes, the indicators are looking upwards, which is a good sign for the bulls. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, notice what's happening here. Drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, and then the drop here. Now after a while, the daily candle has appeared to be of diminishing body size. See, till here the body size was increasing, but this also sets the path for next bigger bearish candle. However, I can see this, it is struggling to break lower. 5520, 5550 is a very good support zone, and now I'll wait for it to reverse, because see, things are getting oversold here. Moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. Yes, the indicators are almost at bottom and are staying oversold. Thus, the recovery cannot be denied. So, first thing is where to buy today. I will recommend you to buy at 5572. Expect 5580.84 as the first target. 5598, 5602 is the second, and then if these levels are taken, stay bullish for 5618.20 levels. If these three levels are taken, 5640 next, and then beyond that it will deliver a massive move on the upside all the way towards 5680, 5700. Anything and everything is possible. These are markets. However, you should not ignore the downside of it. You can sell here at 5548 levels. Expect 5538.40 as the first, 5520.24 as the second, and if these two levels are taken, you can stay short for 5500 and 5450. Yes, 5450 is also achievable here. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq 100 on the hourly chart. See, it is delivering slightly higher lows here. Yes, it has shown a dip, but it has failed to break past the preceding low. That is very important observation. Now also notice this higher lows and higher highs here. Where are the highs of this? All the way towards 19800. Now today it is, again, it has fallen back within this critical resistance zone, 19400, 600. This is going to remain a most critical zone here, because once it breaks past beyond 19400, 600 zone, it is going to take the prices all the way towards 19680, 700, 19800. Right now what's happening? The prices move towards 20 and 50 period moving average, which is offering a greater resistance. So if you see it is staying above 19460, you can initiate a buying entry for 19500, 540, 600, and then 660, 710. The stochastic overbought here. The MACD, RSI both are showing a bit of rise here. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation here. Yes, after hitting again a round of drop, it is trying to bounce back. 20 period should offer a greater resistance, as we may see a move all the way towards the 50 period moving average. Yes, the indicators are showing an up move here as well. On the 3 hour chart, see, the beauty of the charts is every time it shows a drop, it follows with a retracement towards 20 period, and this time it's again bouncing back towards 20 period. Very important for price to stay above 20 period, that is 19460, 500 zone if it breaks. you can expect the rise here. Indicators are supportive for further rise, as we have already seen greater fall here, and thus the indicators have come down or cooled down sharp, which increases the scope of further rise. Look at the 4-hour charts here. See the median of the Bollinger Band, the first resistance, the 20 period, the second, and then beyond that you can look forward to a good rise. So yes, beyond 19460 is where we can expect it to rise or trade bullish here. Indicators are looking upside and indicators are trading bullish. On the daily chart, notice on the daily charts here, see, first of all, increasing bearishness was seen till here, then the retracement candle has appeared, one pullback candle. So now today it is going to be important because this may confirm a reversal as well. The moving average is crossing over here, trading with divergence and staying sharply bearish. What it may do for now, it may try to consolidate here for the next few sessions, wait for the moving average to climb up, retrace a little, and then take the downside. And today, if you look at the preceding few candles, higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. So this may continue in the retracement channel here for a while. Indicators, specifically stochastic, is starting to look upwards while the MACD is bearish and the RSI is oversold. So things are definitely oversold here. And thus looking at this, I will recommend you to buy. If you see it is staying above 19460, expect 500, 540, 600. 660, 710, 800. These are the key levels which you should watch out for, and we have been following these levels now since last few sessions. And now on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 19360. Very critical for it to break below 19360 and 300 levels. If these two levels are taken, we can look forward to 19220, 19150. Once 19150 is taken, 19,000 is a certainty here. Be mindful of this. It's a uncertain time. These are uncertain times. Anything and everything is possible. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me on Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Likewise, what we had seen for S&P and Nasdaq, US30 has also retraced towards 20 period, and 20 period is offering it a very good resistance. And in the recent past, we have seen the prices are just trying to converge towards 20 period and reverses here. So this complete zone between 20 and 50 period is something you should watch out for, which suggests that beyond 41,050 you can initiate a buying entry, expect it to move towards 41,200, 41,250 zone. And if that is taken, then 41,400 is possible. See, the stochastic is entered into overbought zone, while the MACD and RSI both are still supportive for further rise. On the 2-hour charts, likewise, still there is scope for a movement towards 20 period, which is right now sitting at around 41,200, which is possible. Yes, the indicators are looking upwards, supportive of further rise. On the 3-hour chart, see, notice the formation drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. It is trading bearish here, delivering lower highs, lower lows. Where are the lows? All the way towards 40,500 and lower levels. So today, if you see it is staying below 40,800, you can just stay short from there. Yes, though the indicators are looking upwards, but not yet confirming a complete reversal. And on the 4-hour chart, the observation is more or less same here. After every drop, it follows with a retracement. A couple of moderate bullish candles here. See the bullishness getting diminished here. That is one worry point. However, it is still having lot much of room on the upside. And thus, I will say we have to watch out here before selling. I will only recommend you to sell if you see it is staying below 4950 levels, where you can expect 4900 and 40,800. If it breaks below 40,800, we can look forward to 40,500 today. See, the MACD is here at sitting at bottom, and it must try to come out of this oversold zone or retrace. Coming to daily, on the daily chart, straight bearish candles are seen here, and after a greater swing, it has delivered another massive bearish candle. It is trying to deliver this bearish channel. The top of the channel is at 41,500, and hence today, if you see it is staying beyond 41,050, 41,200 zone, we can expect a greater rise here. Things are definitely staying oversold, but it can sustain oversold levels for a while. Remember, when it was overbought, it sustained overbought levels for multiple weeks and months, and we did not question, so we should not be worried about things staying oversold as well. And looking at this, I will recommend you to buy at 41,050, zone, expect 140, 120 levels first target zone, 41,200, 240 at the second, and then in fact 41,350, 41,400 will be there. Beyond this, 41,500 is a certain. Appears difficult but not impossible. On the downside, selling at 4950, expect it to move towards 40,860, 800, and then if 40,800 is taken today, stay short for 40,650, 40,500 levels. Possibility is there. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Germany40. DAX, if you notice what has happened on DAX, see, after hitting the lows here, it has retraced. After that, it has shown a retracement. The support levels at 22,400 is pretty strong. It is forming a nice flag. And if today you see it is staying beyond 22,760, 800 zone, is stay bullish. This is a reversal here. Moving averages are now starting to converge, which is a very good sign for the bulls here. The indicators are rising and are showing enough move here. And be it the hourly charts, 2 hour or 3 hour charts, look at the formation. After the rise, it is retraced. It is forming a nice flag. Wait for a breakout here. Yes, the indicators are showing an up move, which is supportive for further bullishness. And the similar observation here is on the 3 hour charts. Only worry point is the crossover in the moving averages and the resistance it is getting and the top of the flag here. So it has to now trade beyond 20,700, 760 and 800. This complete zone between 20,700 and 800 is critical, because beyond this it will show a strong massive move on the upside. Stochastic, MACD, RSI all are showing a good rise. Likewise on the 4 hour chart, similar observation, rise, retracement, rise here. Wait for this to break out. Right now it is consolidating, it is rising here, rather not consolidating but rising, and trying to find out a breakout point here. 700, 720, you can initiate a buying entry. Yes, the indicators are supportive for further rise. Coming to daily chart. On the daily charts, after a swing here, we can see a reversal sign, then now lower highs and lower lows here. We have to wait for it to break out, and a good reversal sign should be above 20,800, 22,800.